We decided to take a day out the workshop and go racing at Lydden Hill Race Circuit. Lydden Hill is famous for hosting the World Rallycross Championship and supermoto events, but today they're running a cafe racer class, so we brought Alistair's strongest contender. Earlier in the year, Ali finished second in a similar event. We're hoping to go one better today. Let's go racing!
We had 2 races and we had 1 qualifying. We had no practice, it was just qualifying, 2 races. Thankfully, because I'd been there earlier in the summer, I knew the track, same bike, so I knew the bike. Come to race 1 and had a bit of a dodgy start.
Despite Ali's bad start, he dominated the race and brought home the win. This Ducati Sport Classic 1000S is Ali's pride and joy.
Go Ali! Woo!
I was surprised to see him put it through this kind of abuse. The second race, he had another bad start. I think a new clutch and fluid is in order, but still went out and won, again. Lapping up to 6th place.
So yeah, I got a double win. Unfortunately, because it was an exhibition race and it wasn't the proper cafe race that covered the summer, there wasn't any trophies and podiums to be had, which was a bit of a shame, but Simon felt for me and got me a trophy. Ta-da! So I got a trophy and it says Cafe Racer Cup winner Ali Latimer Link Customs. And I'm stoked.
Thanks to the bike shed for the invite. We had a great day. Time to get back to work. We are now on day 6 of my CAF Racer build. The newly powder coated frame has arrived. The goal is to have a rolling chassis by the end of the day.
Turn up the music!
Hopeless devotion, let's get on the run. Freedom ain't easy,
Don't scratch those rims.
it sets our hearts on fire. It's all desire. It sets our hearts on fire.
I really like the idea of having a lacquered metal finished tank, but there's a nasty looking dent on the top. So Lee, the engine carrier, glued a smart little dent puller to the tank. Let's see if this does the job.
No, leave it. Let's go away from walk away now.
Eventually, everyone got involved.
It's coming out. Leave it! Walk away. Let's have a walk away. Let's have a talk. Walk away. Everyone walk away. Leave it. Oh, it's coming.
It's all desire.
It did pull the dent out a little bit, but I'm still going to have to get the tank painted. Thanks for all your efforts, guys.
Pally gets the double win. But who's gonna win the dance competition? You decide.